Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials ready: a clear goal, target audience, and a sample of the voice you want. Once done, open Perplexity and choose a writing mode, draft or refine, then paste 3-5 source pointers. Make sure to include explicit constraints, length, tone, and any forbidden phrases. Now write a concise prompt that states the task, the format you want, and an example output. This first step forces focus. It gives Perplexity the structure to produce usable text immediately. You move into the middle, iterative refinement. First ask Perplexity for a structured outline, then request paragraph expansion from that outline. Once you have full draft sections, tell it to tighten sentences, vary rhythm, or reduce jargon. Make sure to run a compare, generate 2 variants with different tones or lengths, then pick phrases you like from each. Keep commands specific: shorter sentences, more examples, or a certain POV. This process turns a rough draft into focused, publication-ready copy. You finish by asking for a final pass that enforces consistency. Check transitions, headings, and the call to action. Once satisfied, export the copy to clipboard, or download while preserving basic formatting. If output misses the mark, don't panic. Narrow the prompt scope, add concrete examples, or instruct Perplexity to edit a specific paragraph. One key troubleshooting tip: if responses seem generic, include a short exemplar paragraph and ask the model to match tone and structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.